Hello everyone, welcome to Edusol. Today we are proceeding with our chapter Integers, and today in this lecture we all are discussing about properties of addition and subtraction of integers. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Property number 1, closure under addition. Friends, in this property we have to add 2 to get a number, and the numbers which we are adding are integers and the product is also an integer. For example, if we have minus 45 and 2, then they both are integers, and if we add them then we get minus 43, which is also an integer. So this what closure property under addition says. Now let's know about closure property under subtraction. Friends, in this, if we subtract a and b, which are any two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. For example, if we have minus 9 and minus 5, then the subtraction of these two will also be an integer, that is minus 16. Now let's move to our second property, that is commutative property. Friends, in this property, if we add two integers, let's suppose we have added a plus b, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. Friends, let's suppose we have two integers that are minus 4 and 3. Then if we add them, we get minus 1 as a result. And if we add 3 and minus 4, then we will get 1 as resultant. So here we can see that they both are unequal. So commutative property has an exception, that it doesn't support subtraction. It is only applicable to addition. Now let's know about associative property, which is our property number 3. Friends, in this property, if we have two integers minus 6 and minus 3, and then if we are adding them, then the resultant is minus 9, and after the addition of these two, let's add the resultant of these two by 4, then we get minus 5. So this is what associative property says, that if we add a plus b, then the resultant is added to c, and that is what associative property says. Just see here, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Now let's know about our fourth property, that is additive identity. Friends, here if we add any of the integer to 0, we will get the same integer. That is, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. For example, if we have minus 5 and 0, then the resultant will be minus 5. Now let's give you some homework. Friends, there are two questions. First question is, write a pair of integers whose sum gives a negative integer, b 0, c an integer smaller than both of the integers, d an integer smaller than only one of the integers, e an integer greater than both of the integers. Second question is, write a pair of integers whose difference gives a negative integer, 0, an integer smaller than both of the integers, an integer greater than only of the one integer, an integer greater than both of the integers? So these are the two questions which are given to you as a homework. Friends, the picture of these questions are also uploaded on my Instagram ID, and the Instagram ID is given in the description. So please check it out. So this is all about today's video. In the next lecture, we will proceed with this chapter. So up to date, take care, stay home and stay safe, and goodbye.